Hello, second graders. Today we are going to practice counting money, and this game is called Cash Register. So when you get here, all you have to do is click the link in it, or click the image, and it will take you to the game. So over here, we'll click Start, and it tells us that we need to be able to buy a pencil, and that pencil cost 71 cents. So we are going to look at our coins and we are going to think about how could I make 71 cents? Well, I know that dimes are 10 cents. So how many dimes would I need to get close to 71 cents? 7 dimes. So let's put 7 dimes in that cash register. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that should make, here's 10 cents, and another 10 would make 20 cents, and another 10 would make 30 cents. And then if I had 4 groups of 10, I would have 40 cents. And if I had 5 groups of 10, I would have 50 cents. And then if I had 6 dimes, I would have 60 cents. And if I had 7 dimes, I would have 70 cents. So how much more do I need to get to 71 cents? I need 1 cent, don't I? Which of these coins is worth 1 cent? My penny. So let's drag that penny over and put it into the cash register. And then I'm going to click check. And it tells me that I made 71 cents. I bought it. Is that the only way I could make 71 cents? Is there another way where I could use a lesser amount of coins? Okay. So could I do some trading? Maybe instead of using 5 dimes, I could use 2 quarters. Let's erase and let's check that out. Okay, so you said if I got rid of my, oh, and look what happens up here. I took away 1 dime, and now I only have 61 cents in my cash register. So I'm going to get rid of that total up there. So you said 5 dimes, take away 5 dimes. So I had 7 dimes. I took away 5. Now I have 2 left. There they are. And I need 50 cents. So what could I do to make 50 cents? I know 1 quarter is 25 cents. So let's put it over there. And then if I had another quarter, I would have 50 cents. So let's count it. So here is 25. This is also 25. So 25 and 25. 20 and 20 is 40. 5 and 5 is 10. So 40 plus 10 is 50. And then I've got my dime, which is 10. 50 plus 10 is 60. Plus another 10 is 70. Plus 1 is 71. Should we check it? Let's check. Oh, gotta grab my pointer. I did it. We did it. Good job, guys. So let's do a different one. We're going to click start over. Oh, let's erase. Let's see. I thought there was a way to erase everything. Can't remember what it was, though. Oops. I disappeared. Come back. Okay. Eraser. Oh, there it is. Okay. So let's click start. Now, pencil again. But this time, this pencil only costs 62 cents. So is this pencil less expensive than the last pencil? Or is it more expensive? Less expensive, right? So we need 62 cents. Let's think. What could we do? Well, I could count out 62 pennies. That would make 62 cents. Do you think 62 pennies are going to fit into that cash register drawer? The way this cash register is online? It'd be kind of tricky, wouldn't it? Okay, so let's be more efficient than 62 pennies. What could we do? Do you want to use quarters again? Would we need 1/4? Would that get us close to 62? Could we get closer? Okay, what if I put 2/4? 2/4, we just thought about that. We thought about how 25 and 25 made 50 because we know 20 plus 20 is 40. And 5 plus 5 is 10. So that puts us at 40 plus 10, 50. Does that put us close to the number we're trying to get to our 62 cents that we're trying to get to? It's close. What if we put another 1/4 in there? What would that put us at? So we know that 2/4 makes 50 cents, right? We've thought about that one a few times now. 50 cents. If I put another 1/4, a 1/4 is worth how much? 25 cents. So if I put another 1/4 there, what's that going to make? 50 plus 20 is 70, yes. And we still have 5 more, don't we? So 70 and 5 is 75. So is that where we need to be? We need to get to 62 cents. And we went too much, didn't we? We have too much money in our cash register right now. So if we were at Walmart and we really did buy something that cost 62 cents and we gave the cashier 75 cents, what would the cashier have to do? They would have to give us back some money, wouldn't they? So we want to make it exactly equal. So let's keep thinking. So let's take away that 1/4, that last 1/4 we put in, take it back out of the cash register. And what could we do if we have 50 cents, but we need 62 cents? Well, I looked in my wallet and I didn't have any dimes. So, how much more do we need? We have 50, but we need 62. So we need 12, right? So what could we do? We decided if I put another 1/4 in, it would be too much and the cashier would have to give back money. So could we use pennies to make 12 cents? How many pennies? It would take 12, right? So what about nickels? How much is a nickel worth? A nickel is worth 5 cents. So if I need 12 cents, could I use some nickels to help me get to 12? Let's put one in. How much is that nickel again? That nickel is worth 5 cents. So 50 plus 5 is 55. Could I use another nickel or should I start using pennies? You want me to get another nickel? Okay. So that nickel is also 5 cents. Okay. Sorry, I'm having a hard time writing symbols here. Let me try that. There we go. So here I have 50, and then I have 2 groups of 5. You guys are so good at 2 groups of 5. You know 2 groups of 5 is 10. So 50 and 10 more makes 60. Do I need another nickel? If I got another nickel, would I have too much? Yeah. So let's grab some pennies. So after 60, this would be 61. And 1 more makes 62. So should we check? See how we did? Let's check it. 62 cents. We bought it. Good job. Okay, let's erase. Erase the screen. Nice. Drag all of our money back out of the piggy bank. Oh, and I love watching what happens whenever I take the money out of the piggy bank. That's almost just as cool as putting the money in the piggy bank or the cash register. Guess that's not a piggy bank, is it? So in my wallet, I have all 4 types of coins. There's no money in my cash register right now. Whoops, what's happening here? Oh, I took all the money out and it won't let me go to the next one. Well, let's put it back. Check. I haven't paid for it. I'm going to make this the fast way since Miss Kate's messed up. Check. There we go. Now I can start over. Okay. So everything's out of my cash register. I just made that really hard, didn't I? Just being real here. Let's see what's next. Oh, candy, my favorite. Okay. So this candy cost 87 cents. What could we do to make 87 cents? Okay. Now, I'm going to let you go online and play this game. Remember, you just have to click on the image here and it will take you there and you will get to play the game. You will buy all kinds of things. Sometimes pretend like you don't have all 4 of these types of coins in your wallet and you only have pennies and nickels or dimes. Maybe you don't have any quarters that time, or maybe you have quarters and dimes and pennies, but you don't have any nickels, or maybe you have quarters, nickels, and pennies, but no dimes. So make it a little challenging for yourself and keep practicing counting money. You can also go to mom and dad and you can ask them, say, hey, mom, hey, dad, do you have a container that has coins in it? Most likely somewhere in your house you do have some coins. Grab out a handful, count them out, and see how well you get at counting. You can also say, I'm going to count out 34 cents and look in your collection of coins and see if you can make 34 cents, okay? Maybe you do it one way and you think, could I do it a different way? Could I use a different combination of coins to make that 34 cents? And then something that would be very helpful for you as a second grader to be able to do is to practice writing that amount of money. So if I was counting out 34 cents, when I'm done, I'm going to write that I counted 34, and the symbol for cents is a C with a line through it. I know it's kind of tricky for me to write it like that on the screen. Another way that sometimes we see it written is with that dollar symbol. So an S with a line through it, and then a decimal point, and 34, because it is part of $1. Okay, so 2 different ways that you can write 34 cents. Sometimes most of the time we see it like this if it's less than $1, but sometimes you will see it like this. So it's a good time to practice that. And just practice counting the money and then writing how much you counted, okay? I hope you enjoyed Cash Register, and I will see you soon. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.